Hello everyone. This is the part 2 of the list of topics covering SAP BPC NetWeaver 10.1 unified version. Um, First let me introduce myself. My name is Somnath Ray. I'm SAP Certified Application Associate in SAP HANA. I also have a CPA and a diploma in IFRS. So in this video I'm going to start off with a diagram of the architecture of SAP BPC NetWeaver 10.1 unified version, and then I'm going to cover some important components of SAP NetWeaver BPC 10.1, and then I'm going to provide some information on additional languages supported on SAP BPC NetWeaver 10.1, and then I'm going to provide some details about SAP BPC and predictive analytics, and finally I'm going to show the future roadmap of SAP applications. So let's move over to the first topic. So we are seeing the architectural diagram of SAP Business Planning and Consolidation 10.1 NetWeaver unified application. So the SAP user interface has the EPM add-in, which is Excel, Word and PowerPoint. So this is meant for heavy users of Excel. So they may be people from the finance department or other operational departments as well. And then there is HTML5 and web user interface as well. So this is meant for people who are not heavy users of Excel. So from time to time they may require to input some information, some numbers into the system, and they can use the web user interface. Maybe they are on the road at that point of time. And then we have the mobile client and the SAP BI 4.x, and then on the application layer we have the SAP BPC 10.1, and it has both the types, that is SAP BPC Classic Modeler and SAP BPC Unified Modeler with the planning and application kit model type. And then there is the enterprise data warehouse, and that's SAP BW 7.4 version. And then the database is SAP BPC HANA, and it has the planning functions and the HANA planning engine as well. So that's the architecture of SAP BPC 10.1 NetWeaver Unified. So in the next slide I'm going to talk about some important features of SAP BPC NetWeaver 10.1. So it has the rich user interface and visualization experience from the HTML5 technology, and it has workflow management software as well for the planning and consolidations, and it has a pre-packaged planning and consolidation solution coupled with an advanced planning development solution leveraging integrated planning and application kit framework. And it leverages the full power of SAP HANA, which at the present is the world's fastest growing software in the history of software industry. So basically it has the same user experience from the EPM front end, which we saw in the diagram before, and it has the BPC web portal as well, and it has enhanced performance from integrated planning and SAP HANA, and making scenario or driver based planning very effective, which is done real time. And it is integrated planning approach and making planning slicker, and it enables granular operational planning as well. And it has enhanced integration with SAP Business Warehouse through common info objects, thereby reducing system complexity and support and maintenance times. So in the next slide we see two logos, that is the Star of David and the Arabian logo as well. So right off the bat we know that this software SAP BPC NetWeaver 10.1 Unified supports both the Hebrew language and the Arabic language as well. So in the next slide actually it shows the power of SAP BPC in performing predictive analytics, and we see that it can perform predictive analytics, and it gives the best option, that is what is the best that could happen based on the real-time data and historical data and the present economic scenario. So this graph actually has on the y-axis it shows the competitive advantage, and on the x-axis it shows the maturity of analytics capabilities that a software has. And it's a very effective tool for the assessment and evaluation of any software. And the maturity of analytics capabilities is actually driven by the complex functions which the software or application can perform. And we see over here that the SAP BPC can not only generate raw data from the OLTP systems, but it cleanses the data through SAP boards, which is business objects data services, and it generates the data. It actually generates the reports, that is managerial and legal reports and XBRL reporting, and performs XBRL reporting as well. And then it provides additional competitive advantage to the organization which implements this software by providing predictive analytics, and that makes this software outstanding in the market. In fact, I don't think there is any other software which can perform predictive analytics, and it not only performs predictive analytics, but it optimizes what is the best that could happen. So it's an amazing software indeed. So in the last slide we are seeing the roadmap of SAP applications. So we are seeing that SAP ERP, SAP CRM, SAP Business Warehouse, and the new SAP EPM solutions and the future applications of SAP are all going to reside on top of SAP HANA, which is the in-memory database platform. And the user interface will be cloud-based and mobile applications. So that's all about SAP Business Warehouse NetWeaver 10.1 Unified. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions you can email me at cpahana@outlook.com, and see you soon. Thank you.